We're so excited to have you join the team. Think of this as your quick start guide to a really important part of the staff handbook, the Working Together section. It's basically the roadmap for how we all contribute and succeed as a team here.
And you know, that welcome comes straight from our president, Dr. James Hildreth. This really gets to the heart of what Mayhurry is all about. It's a reminder that you're here for a reason. Your unique skills matter, and we can't wait to see the contributions you're going to make. All right, so here's what we're going to cover. We'll kick things off with our professional standards, then dive into why protecting information is so crucial. After that, we'll talk about keeping our workplace safe for everyone. Sound good? Let's jump in.
First up, let's talk about professional standards. Now, this isn't just some boring list of rules. It's really our shared agreement on how to create a workplace that's respectful, professional, and effective. This is the foundation that lets us do our best work for our patients, our students, and our community.
You know, in our line of work, that first impression means everything. How we present ourselves is directly tied to the trust we build with patients and the public. So whether you're in business attire or a uniform, being neat and professional is a nonverbal way of saying, we're here, we're professional, and you can count on us.
Just as important as how you look is, well, just being here. Your team is counting on you. Simple as that. The #1 rule here is communication. If something happens and you're going to be late or can't make it in, you've got to contact your supervisor right away. And pay close attention to this last point because it's a big one. 3 consecutive unexcused absences can be seen as a voluntary resignation. It's a serious policy, so it's definitely something to keep in mind.
This whole idea of being a reliable professional leads right into our next topic. We've covered our outward professionalism, but now let's turn to an absolutely critical internal duty that every single one of us shares: protecting our information.
This is our official commitment, right here. But what does it mean for you day to day? It means that confidentiality isn't just for the IT department. It's a core part of everyone's job. Keeping information safe protects our patients, our students, and the college itself. So what kind of information are we talking about? Well, as you can see, it's pretty broad. It covers everything from patient medical records to internal financial data. But I want to zero in on that very first item, passwords. Your password is your digital key. It's absolutely essential that you keep it secure and never, ever share it. It's one of the most important things you can do to protect our community.
Okay, so protecting our data is huge, and so is protecting each other. That brings us to our next section, which is all about our shared promise to make a safe, welcoming, and respectful place for every person who steps onto our campus.
This is the bottom line. It's a straightforward, powerful promise we all make. And it means every one of us has a part to play in maintaining an environment that's positive and free from any kind of hazard or hostility.
And to make sure that promise is a reality, there are some clear lines that just can't be crossed. Things like being under the influence of drugs or alcohol at work, insubordination, theft, or any form of harassment. These are all considered serious misconduct. These rules aren't just there to be rules. They exist to protect the safety and dignity of every single person here.